Possible. Oh no. I know it's possible. How do you get across if it's coins? The thing is, why can't I go? Maybe they just look like see if this is clear.
Here I go!
You just gotta click it. Oh, the goal was there. Okay, let's try again, guys.
Here I go!
Just gotta dash to the other side really quickly. You see? Okay, Pichu, it's possible. But, oopsie. Just like the coin, except now it's a bit more dangerous. Here, there's Crypto Buzz. The end of the star run. That's not. They don't fall off the edge. Chupa. I just hear you might be saying, Pichu, this is impossible. I'll tell you my big brain. Not that big, it's tiny. It's Pichu-sized brain. Now if I go all the way to the start of this no coin challenge.
Here I go! Here I go!
I was not supposed to be done. Jump! No! I know that jump is impossible.
Here I go!
Maybe the boom is making this too hard on me.
Here I go!
I need to like hold down left.
Here I go!
Okay, I could have sworn I held down jump.
Here I go! Here I go!
This is really annoying.
Here I go!
Why is my life so
Here I
hard?
go!
Look at the clear condition. I'm gonna push myself. I just got attached. You want to make sure you still have the star for a long time. You guys think you can beat these levels? I'm pretty sure you guys can. This looks great. Move it across the universe. Okay, we're good. You wanna make sure you still have the star? just in case. If you don't have the stuff or a mushroom, you're messed up. It just Koopa Troopa run and then it's good. But also, yeah, let me just make this a little bit easier for people. Cause I'll give you a link somewhere.
Here I go!
Collecting a coin and then do a sword. As you see there, but I can also do something like really cool.
Here I go!
Okay, I have to get the.
Here I go!
Ah! Why is my life so hard?
Here I go!
You can just dash through. Yeah, spike thing. If you have a mushroom, you're screwed here. So then you have to like make sure you duck.
Here I go!
Oh, the invisibility You're gonna make sure you're wasting no time. Because there's also gonna be swamps. Critical calculations. Now some boom. Just that is what I was looking for. Yeah, your glow just casually gonna roll you over. You gotta make sure you have a star for a long time. Right here. If you want to, you trust the door. And you still have your superstar. And try to do like superstar dash straight through all of this. But if you do it as superstar, if you ignore the door, you're dead. Your worst enemy just waiting for you. Yeah, quite. Yes. Casual coins, you know. This video will be way longer unless you have some crazy jump skills. Jump over there, jump over there. Yeah, that's impossible. I'll just make it a little. Not make it back through the door. Just so you can't suspect the thing. I wonder, is this possible? I think this is possible.
Here I go!
First wheel. Okay, let's just restart here.
Here I go!
Completely lose. Let's just do that again. I want to see if I can actually make it through without touching the one.
Here I
You can superstar straight through that. Okay, yeah. Speedrun. Uh-oh. Pichu. That's one. Pichu first. Pichu first. Course. Hi. Single player. I'll put. Yeah, hundreds. Play.
Here I go!
Okay. Oh no!